Hi folks, Chief Meteorologist James Zahara here. Been a day with lots of clouds around the area, breezy conditions, but also some warm numbers as well. Already noticing those numbers in the upper 40s, lower 50s, but at the same time, now we're starting to see some of that rain coming on pretty steady in some areas as well, all part of this tightly wrapped area of low pressure that will keep that chance of wet weather going until we get to about the early evening, and then the coverage really begins to dwindle after that, leave behind a lot of broken clouds as we go through the rest of the night into early tomorrow morning. And by then, we're taking a look at temperatures right around 40 degrees or so. So a mild night, mainly because throughout the night, those winds will continue out of the south. Still gusty at times too. We've been noticing some of those gusts this afternoon, and that will continue such as we go through really most of the night before those numbers really begin to ease up. Here are the latest wind gusts expected going the evening hours. So pretty strong throughout the evening, but then kind of lessening a little bit more as we head into tomorrow morning. Speaking for tomorrow, well, we'll be seeing a lot of broken clouds throughout the day. Pretty dry, not as gusty, still breezy. Temperatures, though, will be just a little bit cooler, but still not too bad for this time of year as we're shooting for daytime highs, mainly in the 40s, though maybe near 50 degrees the farther south of the Quad Cities as you go. But all eyes are focused on weather system number 2. This is the one that has a chance to produce some wintry weather across most, if not all, of our hometowns. This is 7 a.m., and we see that system pulling in with some snow, even a little mix of some rain and snow near the Quad Cities and points south and east. But even this mix, I think, is going to be short-lived because temperatures will cool enough that the snow will become more widespread on Thursday, especially by the afternoon, and will continue in the early evening before tapering before midnight as we get to about Friday. Now the big question is how much snowfall. Percentiles, we'll start with that. This is where the probability of 1 inch of snow will take place. And anywhere you see the blue all the way to the nice dark orange, there's the blue, all the way to the nice dark orange, you're going to see a good inch of snow. And you can see that covers the entire area. But here's something interesting too. Talk about the probability of seeing 4 inches of snow or more, okay? So once again, focusing on that blue area all the way to the orange. Blue all the way to the orange, and you can see that covers about a good northwestern 2/3 of our area, potentially seeing that much snow. Putting it all together with other variables, the snow-water ratio and such, this is what we're seeing right now, and there's going to be some tweaks involved in this, but I would say the 3 to 6 inch line is right around the Quad Cities, points north and west, and then lighter amounts as you make your way south and east. So once again, this could shift given the track going the next 24 to 36 hours. No doubt it's going to send down some pretty cold air for Thursday, going into Friday, and then a nice bump in numbers as we head into the weekend and early next week. For more weather information, go to our website. That is WQAD.com.